Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so I'm going to play something now. I'm going to tell you what I'm playing. And I need you to guys this time around to learn it. And then follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Johnsonkeyz Official. My keys has Z, not S, not letter S. It has Z. So Johnsonkeyz, K-E-Y-Z, then official. Yeah, together. So once you can play this, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Play this and do an hashtag Johnsonkeyz challenge. God bless you. Johnsonkeyz challenge. Yeah, Johnsonkeyz challenge, Johnsonkeyz piano challenge. You can do that. So it goes. I'm just gonna be doing 4-3, 4-3 like this. 4-3. But I'm gonna be demodulating in full tone backwards. So that means I'll do it on C. I'll do it on B flat. This is a very falling challenge. I'm already giving you the expo, right? I'm gonna do it on A flat, but that's why, because I want a lot of people to get this. You know, I'm a teacher, right? So yeah, so F sharp, E, D, and C. So it goes like this: C, B flat, A flat, F sharp, E, D. On C back, then you do 2, then 5, and you do 1. So one more time. So let me keep the speed at that. If you can beat it, no problem. Let me see you try it. This will really interest me. So don't forget, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and then let's do Johnsonkeyz piano challenge. Johnsonkeyz piano challenge. Johnsonkeyz challenge. K-E-Y-Z. Don't forget Johnsonkeyz. No space. K-E-Y-Z. So one more time. See you on Instagram and TikTok. God bless you.